cool. They identified the pullbacks or the reversal, but that they had the TCW had changed something, and there was a setting that added to that which made them not as truthful as it should be. So what we have now in place of the golden arrows are triangles. So they're colored to the potential direction of the volume that was pushing and reverse. So I see one. See if I can get there. I thought I saw one. Where'd it go? There it is. So we'll give it a little bit more, but see, here's the what those golden arrows turned into. So here's the red pullback, meaning sellers came down, a lot of sell volume, and it pulled back. So it gave us that red sell pullback. Here's the green buy pullback. As you see, it came through and pulled back. So these would have been our golden arrows to determine the direction on the NQ. But since they added another feature to it, it kind of reads differently. So I I stumbled upon this, and I found out that if you set it a certain way, they can identify pullback regions, which is great. So if you see a red, expect it to fade the other direction. If you see a green, it should fade the opposite direction. So green means short, red means long, except when you're on a trend. If these are on a trend, you want to follow the arrow. That means that, hey, this is an opportunity for you to get in the direction that it's going. So going to where we should be, following the trend here. Let's get it to a normal zoom. So if we see a red pullback anywhere here, that's probably where you want to follow with the trend that it's going short. If this trend was long, you see a green arrow anywhere, that's an opportunity to get in with the trend. So